So why do we get the pool done first? We're standing in an installed pool, and the reason that this pool is in, it's a little different than maybe other projects, but based off of its location, the depth of the pool, how the pool ties into the structural foundation of the guest house, this one needed to go in first so that the rest of the build could happen around it. All right, so this pool is essentially installed without its final finishes, but the pool is fully installed really early on in the project because of the access that we have with this site. So this project as a whole is a full landscape package, as well as the pool house build and a full front yard with a circular drive made out of pavers. And this is a really heavy construction to do with heavy equipment, cement trucks, backhoes for digging, and other pieces of equipment that could either dirty or destroy some of the finishes. So in this case, we elected to install the pool way early. That way we could do the rest of the build around it. And then when it comes to just finishing the pool, it's a handful of light lines that are run through the property with the right protection materials that really won't impact any of the final build. So we can do the pebble sheen on this pool and the final trim out with really nothing invasive to the property or the project. So this pool is installed, it's ready to go, ready to be finished, even though the rest of our pool house build and the landscape isn't quite complete yet. So when dealing with luxury real estate, it's more than just the build and the aesthetic. We really want to be careful about how we're bringing all of the mechanical pieces together. And so in this case, one thing that might seem obvious, but oftentimes isn't, is that our pool equipment, our plumbing, and the filtration that will come in later is quite a ways removed from the pool. In fact, it's completely behind the pool house, which will insulate our guests and our homeowners from noise. And then this is still going to get another perimeter wall around it. It's a little bit more cost to run the plumbing as far as we've run it. I mean, it takes some additional equipment to pull it all off, but you don't have a big eyesore out in the middle of a yard at a very luxury product, and it's hidden away, still easily accessible. But it's just that extra little bit of planning that takes a beautiful project to the next level, where everything else that you still need to operate is hidden away, out of sight and out of mind. Okay, so standing under one of our two large covered patios, waiting on our trusses. Those will be installed next week to put the roof structure on. This is going to be a large seating area, and it'll give us access directly into the pool, as well as behind me or to my right will be an outdoor kitchen and additional seating. This entire roof structure at about the lip of the pool, or just a few feet into the pool, will have a custom built-in sheet waterfall system that will be beautiful when it's on, and it'll just cascade out into the pool for some additional effects, as well as a lot of lighting for the pool. And then as we come this way, our outdoor kitchen is going to encompass this whole section here with a large outdoor TV, which will be visible from this patio here. Again, direct access into the pool, fully covered, which again is coming next week. So a lot of outdoor living space, a lot of outdoor play space, so that our homeowners can really get the most out of this project. So we're just a few short months away from completing our Paradise Valley Oasis project, and there's going to be a lot of activity over the next couple of months. Look forward to sharing more of that with you as we progress.